If you smoke cigarettes or vape, you need to hear this. Look, both smoking and vaping can damage the lungs, causing inflammation, irritation, and potentially leading to long-term respiratory problems and lung diseases. So what do you need to protect your lungs and the cells inside your lungs? You need antioxidants so that you can protect and repair the cells inside your lungs. But what is the most powerful antioxidant? Glutathione is often referred to as a master antioxidant because it plays a crucial role in recycling other antioxidants and protecting cells from damage caused by free radicals. Where can you get glutathione? Glutathione is synthesized within the cells of your body, meaning they are produced inside your cells, including the cells inside your lungs. So, if we have glutathione inside our cells, why do we need more glutathione? Glutathione deficiency can stem from various factors including aging, poor diet, chronic stress, certain medical conditions, and genetic mutations that disrupt glutathione synthesis. Now, poor diet or poor healthy practices like smoking and vaping can cause your glutathione to deplete and decrease. Now, the next question would be, how can you increase your glutathione production inside your cells? So, glutathione is a tripeptide composed of 3 amino acids: glycine, cysteine, and glutamic acid. Now, glycine and glutamic acid can be found from the foods that we eat every day. The number one challenge is the cysteine. It's very hard to get. So what I can suggest is you find a product that will help you increase your cysteine so that your body can produce your natural glutathione inside your cells. If you don't increase your natural glutathione inside your cells, inside your lungs, this will happen. Can your lungs survive without natural glutathione? No, lungs cells cannot survive without glutathione.